Ever wish your emails could practically write themselves? With Gmail's custom suggestions, you can speed up your writing and make your messages smarter and more personalized. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable this feature step by step. Start by opening Gmail and logging into your account. If you're not on the home page, just go to gmail.com and sign in. Make sure you're using the account where you want these suggestions, especially if you manage multiple emails. Once you're in, look at the top right corner for the gear-shaped icon, your settings menu. Click it, then select See All Settings. This will open the full settings menu where all the magic happens. In the General tab, scroll down until you find Smart Compose and Smart Compose Personalization. These are the features that make Gmail suggest entire phrases as you type, tailored to your style. Under Smart Compose, select Writing Suggestions On. This enables Gmail to offer sentence suggestions while you type, saving time and helping your emails flow better. Next, in Smart Compose Personalization, click Personalization On. This allows Gmail to learn your writing style, giving you suggestions that sound like you, more natural, efficient, and tailored. The last step is crucial. Scroll to the bottom and hit Save Changes. Without this, none of your adjustments will be applied, and that's it. You've now enabled Gmail's custom suggestions, making your email writing faster, smarter, and more personal. You can always revisit these settings if you want to tweak them later. With this simple setup, sending emails becomes smoother, and you'll wonder how you ever typed without it. Give it a try and watch your productivity soar.